Alexis, you know? Like this? G'day. Christopher. You're here to document the journey. Document the journey of fun, fitness with friends, brother. Are ya? We're not deadlifting. Hurry up and put your shirt up! My bar. Let's lift on a man's bar. You'll PR with it. Come on. No. I gotta set up my own.
I mean, she's not wrong, but
she means that being, she's saying it indirectly as a compliment.
she's the oldest, famous motorcycle rider in the world. Yeah.
Famous ring old again.
AKA Jim Grandpa. That's what he
Hey,
called
you should
us.
walk over there while your song's playing.
This isn't my song.
It is though.
Why? What's it say?
It's called Hail to the King.
Hail to the King. I like that. Have you noticed how happy Travis is today? Apparently he was in a depression.
Because you weren't here?
It's all my fault.
Were you in a depression because you didn't have him?
I was in a depression, but not because of him.
Nothing touched me.
Wow, Brent. Good overhead position. I love how we go for two different things all the time. You want my wife? Yeah, let's do it.
Oh, have you done this?
I just did 95, yeah. Go over there. I love how we're making the same jumps and you just won't be on my bar, but whatever.
I mean, I'll lift on your ball.
No, you won't. You're a liar.
Good.
It spins 2 minutes.
I'll lift on your bar.
No, you won't.
All right,
You're scared too.
We'll just lift on your bar.
Yeah! Yeah! 2 sessions are on the same bar.
Put this away.
We all share the
Maybe
same
if you use
skill.
a skinny bar, you wouldn't use it for
We're snatching. It's so much more fun when you're like, hey, feel the power of the bar. Versus like,
I don't even know what we're doing.
we're snatching.
I know.
4 reps. From the pocket, from the knee, from below the knee. Singles, 90 seconds rest in between each. Build up. Then you got squat snatch from the ground, 5 singles. Build to a heavy. That's what we're doing. You know what that means? Heavy, baby.
What does that mean? We're maxing our snatch.
Make it happen. Is that what
Is that what the thing was? Make it happen?
That was a good high five.
It said,
What?
what did the video say?
Which one?
Shia LaBeouf. Was it make it happen?
If you're tired of quitting, if you're tired of starting
If
over,
you're tired of quitting, never give up. That's
if
what he
you're
said.
tired of starting over,
Never give up.
quit.
Tired of starting over.
Not every day.
Quit giving up.
That wasn't that hard. It was just like,
Is that what he said? Make it happen? Make it happen.
Let's go crazy.
I have nothing to say.
You're so talkative until the camera gets on.
She's scared of the lens.
This is the strange homeless person who hangs out at the gym. We're not really sure why.
Travis coming?
What are you saying over there?
Are you gonna lift? You were before me.
Tell him, man.
God damn! Whoa!
Oh, he says do it. Do it now. Do it now. Do it now. Do it now.
You gotta walk, you gotta go like.
Your eyes just got so big. Do it.
Now! Now!
Make dreams happen. Says above the knee, anyone wants to go with the palm? Dude!
You don't be doing that shit when you lift.
85?
85!
Well, should we just go to 95? 95!
I like the way you think.
What are we doing?
Don't miss the first one. No.
Let's do another 15 up.
I need you to re-record the intro for the throwdown.
Let's see it.
No, not that. Are you leaving soon?
Probably in the next hour.
Okay.
Don't make your problems his problem.
Someone!
Hey, this is rep 1.
What?
What are you holding there? Your dreams.
Come on, Doggo! Oh!
I'll go pull a little bit more.
Pull the bar, man. Here comes the bird.
Is this a Sights and Sounds day?
I felt like this.
What is it? What kind of day is it?
This morning you said you didn't know what you were filming.
But it looks like you know now. Brother.
Hey, I heard you're going to Wadapalooza.
I am, baby. We're going team and individual.
Why did you decide?
Rogue awoken the bear inside.
How?
The demons came out.
No, but why'd they awaken the bear?
That could be a podcast. Do it 4 times.
Holy stop.
Oh. We go on each one?
No. Don't have to.
What we did with the blocks is we went up and we went down in position.
You go up when you go down.
So you're gonna do all 4 here?
Maybe. We'll go up before the last one. So do 3 and then up 1.
You can only go up when you go down.
I can do whatever I want.
No.
I've never been a good rule follower. Why start now? Bryn, that outfit to the shoes is on point right now. Wow. I'm impressed.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, I noticed those things. Felt like a dog. Come on, big dogs.
I didn't even plan this. It just happens naturally.
What, the outfit?
Yeah.
What are the socks?
There's skulls and roses. Link in my bio. I was gonna say I literally can't.
It's literally a tiny house. I'm gonna snatch a tiny house. No, tiny. Still waiting. Yeah. No,
You're riding a very tight line. I'll show you how to go knee. At the knee.
All right, let's see it, mate.
Oh no! I was too focused on the knee. Oh shit.
And shoulder, knees, goes. One leg. Oh yeah! Nice boy. Come on, go. Pull up, pull up. Oh, there you go. You gotta pull, man. Don't dive. I'm not diving. Come on, first tag. Come on. At the knee. At the knee. Yeah. Good knee. Good knee.
Good knee.
You found your knee. Found it. It's really only you.
I think I was built to deadlift, but
I think so.
like
got 3 more at the knee.
Oh, at the knee?
No higher, no lower.
You better pull your knee out and catch up.
See what you did there.
That was a little shaky, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Go for it.
I'll fix it.
You're on, Lace?
Taking a shit on that bucket there.
My head is just for something.
Yeah. Now floating.
Just like what you did with the mom.
That's progressions. Lisa. Out the block. Yeah. It's like exactly what I see. Blocks, but now there's block those blocks. Now blocks.
You're yawning a lot.
Yeah.
You tired?
I had to open up the gym this morning.
You hit any PRs lately?
These are like
Maybe. The other day. Between you and I, though.
I am your butterfly. I need your protection, be my samurai. I am your butterfly. I need your protection,
I'm a ninja. Yo, my life is like a video game. My main thing when I'm in the zone. One player, one life in the mark. I'm with a dog.
Go ninja, go!
Snatch PR, Greg?
Yeah, I'm getting warmed up to snatch. You know, one arm.
One arm?
Yeah. Culture of overachievers.
Who, you?
Yes.
When are we going to do the foil?
Well, considering you've missed 2 summers in a row.
You never invite me.
Pretty sure your nose grew on that one.
What a neat night.
Well, they love to save you. Don't you know they love to see you smile? But these colors that you shine are surely not your style. You should know these colors that you're shining. Shine out the
What should I do?
Come on, Christopher. Scotty, almost. One more. You know what they say?
Man, this wrestling back in seconds is great.
Is that what it was? Wow. Our 90 seconds. That is funny. I forgot there was rest. I thought it was just good done.
That's okay.
I'm gonna need some of these clipped to post to the IG. Ladies and gentlemen, we got Matt Gilpin.
You need some of those nose hair clips.
Oh, they belong. I meant to trim them the other day. How long are they?
I'm just kidding, I haven't seen them.
Pretty long. Pretty long.
But Matt needs a haircut.
Come on!
Yeah, I need a haircut bad.
Let's go. Come on, big boy. Dude!
Oh!
Yeah! Play!
That was below the knee.
You definitely went low, but it's fair.
Yeah, I'm getting used to
You
it.
went to like the floor. You might as well just touch the floor when you went back down. But
Dude, when you go back to the ground after this stuff, it feels like it takes forever.
nah, you're gonna be fine. Don't think about it. Come on, Chris. Oh. Yeah. Nice.
Hey, can y'all speed up?
I didn't know that there was a 90-second rest, so I just went whenever they stopped. And
How much more you have?
well, now we go to the heavy single.
Can y'all hurry up? I only got 7 minutes left.
You better stop and pause for a minute.
No, it's sights and sounds. No breaks. No cuts.
Hi, unfiltered. Let's load it up, boys.
Quick! You only got 7 minutes. Go!
Why? What's happening?
What Chris is saying is he's running out of camera.
Oh.
This is another below the knee.
Four.
Mine says 4, hers says 5, so. It looks like she's sitting on the crap.
Yeah, buddy!
Come on, big pull, let's go. Nice. Let's go, come on. Same thing, stay tight off the floor, get big one. Nice. Yeah, baby!
That might be the lightest 235s ever felt.
Told him, just got it.
265! 265! 265!
Chris, go snatch, come on. He's only got 7 minutes, come on.
We only got 6 now.
6 minutes.
All right, Lauren's up now.
Let's go, Big Al.
I'm already gone.
Ah!
I need some.
Come on.
Come on, Chris.
Smooth.
Bucket butt.
Where do you like the straw? 'Cause I like it here.
I like on the inside.
Me too. We like the same. All right.
Here we go. Nice.
Come on, same thing. Be aggressive off the floor, be patient with it. Come on. Let's go.
Oh, baby!
Yeah! Welcome!
It's coming! Let's do it! Make your dream!
Welcome! See? Look. I'm telling you. It's about the barbell. I'm telling him. It's about the barbell. He didn't want to lift with that bar. I'm telling you. That's why.
Yeah, you got it, you got it.
Nice!
Four minutes.
4 minutes. We're doing it.
We're doing it.
We're doing it. I'm going as fast as I can right now.
Life's just a blast. The ribbon to bear.
Like it's gonna feel there. Do I go back down?
Trap can. No, sir.
Yeah.
3 minutes. Come on, come on. Hit some lifts.
Here we go!
Come on.
Come on, Matt!
Come on. Big pull, patience.
Come on, here we go!
Big pull, be patient with it. Come on.
Let's go! Push it on! Oh, he did it! Just do it! He did it! Just do it! Ow! Ow! Oh my God! That was such an aggressive high five! Oh!
This has been like, I don't know.
I haven't peeled my Snatch in fucking years.
Hey, that's what it's worth, baby. Just live for the boys. Don't think about it. Come on, he's got like 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes. Go.
Keep going. Nice push, Chris. There we go.
Damn. Come on.
Oh, baby. Got it.
Come on.
Come on. Just take it. Be patient. Come on.
Come on. Come on.
You got 1 minute. Do it again. Do it again. Come on, Max. Hit it. Hit it.
I mean, that looks good.
Come on now.
Come on, Alex. Nice.
Yeah, buddy.
Come on, Chris. Patience. Big pull. Come on. Yeah! Atta boy!
making that routine, baby.
What do you want?
Let's go. Yeah.
Hurry, quick, quick, quick.
Good, Trav.
Don't rush it.
Go, Travis.
Don't rush it.
Let's go, dude. Come on.
going again, Matt?
I'm gonna have another go.
Can you do it now?
I'm gonna do it now.
Can you do it now?
You gotta hurry up. Go. All day.
Close, come on.